Seniors rock for now. Not next year. Then it's the junior side. Yes, Billy and I did have a good laugh about that. Brought back memories of yesterday. 3 years, right? 3 years you wait, and applaud the seniors when they're coming in, and then finally you get your turn to come in like that. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. I have to start by, really just telling everyone here how humbled I am, how grateful I am that something like this is happening for me. I spent 4 years in high school here with Mike Emery and Mr. Mack and Mr. Bimbo, just trying to work my tail off to try to raise a banner in that high school gym for state champions, South Jersey champions, like my father did in 1961. And we weren't able to do it, but I guess I achieved a little bit of success after we left here, and to be standing here on a day where they're going to raise a banner for me in my high school, where it all started, it's an incredible honor, and I'm extremely humbled and grateful, and I really want to just thank Crystal Pond and Mr. Anderson for making it happen, and obviously Billy Osborne and Dave Triano for just sort of coming up with the idea that this should happen, and just all of you guys. It just means the world to me, and I just want to let's give them a round of applause.